Looking for a text editor that's fast, modern, and packed with power? Today we're diving into Neovim and Helix, two of the hottest code editors that promise to supercharge your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just exploring efficient editing, stick around because we'll break down what makes each one unique and why you might switch today. First up, Neovim, a hyper-modern take on the classic Vim. It's lightning fast, infinitely customizable, and has an enormous plugin ecosystem. Lua integration makes scripting a breeze, and the community keeps it evolving constantly. On the flip side, Helix is built from the ground up with Rust, focusing on simplicity and performance. It's modal like Vim, but with true multi-cursor editing, native LSP support, and a cleaner, more intuitive interface. No plugins? No problem. Helix comes powerful out of the box. In short, Neovim is for those who love tweaking every detail, while Helix is for those who want efficiency with minimal setup. So, which one should you pick? If you love deep customization and a massive community, Neovim is your playground. If you want speed, modern features, and less setup headache, Helix might just steal your heart. Try both, experiment, and see which fits your coding style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which editor you're using. You might just start a showdown in the comments.